Hey guys, we'll show you how to remove your brake light, and if you haven't already, go on Amazon, get yourself some LED for like $50. You won't be disappointed. But go ahead, let's start watching. Did you hear it? Did it have like a motor in it?
There's no way I'm gonna be able to remember that.
Oh.
I'm sure that video has volume though, so I'll try it again.
Fun fact, it's not unscrewing. It's going in.
Because it's not attached to anything.
And this one's red, so I have like a black film on it to blend in with the car. This shit ain't coming out. Jesus Christ, I'm gonna get upset and break it. Huh. It come off like that. What was that? You see how there's supposed to be a bright line here versus the old one, which is just a reflector. That's how it comes. And it even comes with screws, I think. It's the new one. Black. Looks nice, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna put a voice over it anyways.
I figured.
I hope there's no fitment issue, which I feel like there will be. Oh. What do you think?
Nice.
Is it working?
Yeah,
Woohoo! Do you like it?
I do. It's just a straight line.
Hold it. Okay.